Hey guys! So this is my birthday setup.
Hang on.
Yes. So first of all, I want to thank everybody for their wishes, and I'm so blessed to have so many people wishing me and giving me their love. Thank you so much. So this is my birthday setup. I have to be in here at 10:30. So how do you like it? Do you like it?
I'm sure they like it. Did you want to sit and chit chat with them, Rohanika?
Sure.
You could just use this then. Chit chat with everyone. Hello, everybody.
Hello everybody. So you can shoot your questions and I will answer. Yes, yeah, better. Yes, so please chit chat with us. Yes, shoot your questions and I'll answer. Happy birthday, Drew. You look perfect. Thank you so much. I loved it. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday. Oh, hello, Panuj. How old are you? I am now 13 years old. How are my edits? I loved your edits. Happy birthday, Rohani. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, princess. Oh, thank you. Oh, hey, Monica. Hi, Mrs. Hello. Oh, hi, Aisha. Thank you.
So thank you everyone for actually sending in so much of love and your wishes and edits and videos for
Blessings.
Rohanika. I've seen a whole lot of edits there from her baby pictures till until now. So this is really it moves me as a parent.
Showering me with love.
It moves me as a parent. So thank you very, very much. And I
Thank
think
you
she's
so
really
much.
blessed to have you all there for her. You guys, wishing her, supporting her as always.
grateful
Thank
for
you.
you
Thank you
guys.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
We're very, very grateful. Thank you. Thank you very much everyone. We love you all. Each one of you.
Yes, we love you. Hey, Rohanika. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Cake. So my cake,
Yeah, your cake we will be posting.
we will
the
be
picture.
posting the pictures. So you must wait. Hi, Ruhi. Hi. Always here for you. Oh, thank you.
Also, I think we have to put it, we have to make it very clear to everyone. It's practically impossible to message each one of you.
Yes, which is
maybe
why we're going live right
by
now.
texting or
Today,
by commenting. This
because
is why
it's
I
real
told you
tough.
that it's time to go live, and you have to say thank you to everyone. So personally, she's here doing that to you all. So thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
I loved all of your edits, and I saw the countdowns and I got even more excited day by day. Happy birthday, lovely hair. Thank you. You are my favorite. Oh,
I'll reduce the lights for you if you
Yes.
want. So it blurs.
so when are you planning on giving me my chocolates? Soon. Once we meet, I'll be giving you your chocolates, Aisha. Hello. When are you coming back on TV screen? Soon. Soon. Beautiful. Thank you.
For now, I think I have to make it very clear to everyone. Rohanika has turned 13. She is now in the 8th grade. Currently, she is doing her IB board, and she's studying already for her, her
10th grade board
that's how the school does. Basically, in the 8th grade, they start to begin teaching them for the 9th and 10th as well. So yes, academically she's really busy, and her priority and focus is on her
Right now
academics.
is on academics.
Yeah, and since everything is virtual, online, we're
I
studying.
think it's easier.
So yeah, co-curriculars none at the moment, but yeah.
I am doing theatre.
Yeah,
and I'll
she's
be
doing
giving my
theatre.
TET exam soon.
Right. So she's, I think, busy studying, right?
Yes. Really, please appreciate my efforts. Oh yes, you have really worked hard. I
Yeah,
think
but who is that? So that
Rohanika
is
is my
Jannat.
life. That is Jannat Didi.
Jannat Didi.
Thank you
Then
so much
there
for
is,
making those lovely edits.
Then there is Ifa Didi, then there is
and
Asra,
Didi.
and there
I
is
think-
Margarita from Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah,
I think
and-
I've been showered with love from Indonesia a lot.
Yeah, always.
And
yes.
I just love the edits. They made the grids. I don't know how to make a grid, but looking at
Yeah.
those beautiful edits and the grids there, I just felt real touched and happy.
Yeah.
All the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't. Oh, oops.
So tell them about what you did. You had a small
So
get
today
together.
I had a small get together with some of my closest friends, and there were
Yeah.
4 of them, and we maintained social distancing.
Did we?
Did we? Well, yes,
And
kind of.
Mom and,
And
dad.
my mum was there, my dad was there,
Nani.
and Nani was there, and 2
Your
of my
masis.
masis.
2 of your masis were there. Yeah. So it was short and sweet.
It was short and sweet, and I think I had a blast. I mean, like,
Yeah.
it was a simple birthday party, but I had lots of fun.
Yes. And see, Rohanika is as tall as me already.
No, I'm kind of wearing heeled boots.
No. She's not as tall as me. Like, I'm not
Yeah.
very tall also. I'm not tall actually. Yeah, but I think she's reaching me soon. She's gonna, yeah.
I'm gonna overtake you. How many gifts you got? I got many gifts.
Many gifts?
Yes.
Yeah. Like, not many gifts, but yeah, a few gifts.
A few gifts from
And
my
you're happy
close
with that,
friends,
right?
and I'm happy with that. Happy birthday, Ruhi. All the very best for your future. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
You need to say their names, Rohanika, so we would know. There's Sara Siddiqui Singh. How old are you? Sara
I am
Rohanika.
13 years old now.
Right.
Black suits on her. Yes, it does. I love black.
Right.
Rohanika's world. How was your day so far? It's been great.
It was great. That's Ifa Didi, I think. Is
Yes.
that Ifa Didi? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So I think we plan to just pick the one of you. Hello Kavita. Hello. I loved all the edits. I'm sorry, Rohanika. Loved all the edits, all the videos. Thank you.
So let's just pick some of you guys.
and we could just
and
have
we
a
could
short.
just have a short conversation.
Yeah,
and
like
pick
a-
somebody else.
Yeah. Okay. So this is someone requesting here. Let's go live. Okay.
Oh,
anyone.
God.
Anyone. You can just pick anyone.
Oh,
Declined.
he declined.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Go live with Astuti.
We are going live with,
With
Astuti.
Astuti. Okay.
Okay, waiting for her.
Waiting for Astuti to come online. Connecting.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Astuti. We
Astuti.
cannot see you.
Yes.
We cannot see you, Astuti. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So Astuti. Oh,
I
thank.
think she has bad.
Yeah. So I think. Okay. Astuti, I think you're not audible.
I think we can hear her now.
Can we? No. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Let's add someone else. Let's add someone
Yes.
else. Let's add someone else. We can go live with someone else.
okay.
Okay, so we're doing this very randomly. Okay,
Okay,
we're doing
and
it
we're
very,
not
very
selecting
randomly. We're not.
people.
It's just very random. So let's add. Okay, Pronali.
No.
Who is this? Sandeep. Sandeep Harchandani. Okay, so we're waiting for Sandeep Harchandani, and we can quickly say hello to Sandeep.
Hello.
Hi.
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 Hi,
Hello.
Ruwani.
How are you? I'm
How
fine.
are
How are
you?
you?
I'm good.
We're
Where
from
are
Mumbai.
from?
Where are you from, Sandeep?
Oh,
Gujarat,
Oh,
wow.
Gujarat,
Surat. Very
Surat.
Super
close.
close.
Oh, so I feel so happy you are so connecting
Yes.
video.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Serious. I'm I'm biggest
How
fan.
sweet. How
Ruwani.
sweet.
Please,
Thank you.
serious.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
समझ
Thank you.
समझ समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या
जो
बोलूं क्या
आपके
नहीं
मन में
बोलूं
आता है वो
सीरियसली.
बोल दीजिए समझने की कोई जरूरत
There's
नहीं है.
nothing wrong here.
Yeah, there's no right or wrong here.
मैम हाँ, मैम अभी बॉम्बे में कैसा है
बॉम्बे में
मैम?
बस ऐसा ही है
Very
जैसा आई
nice.
थिंक सब जगह है. हाँ.
मैम सीरियसली मुझे तो पता ही नहीं मैं किससे कैसे कनेक्ट हो गया
आज
मैम कैसे
रोहानिका की
कनेक्ट कर
बर्थडे
गया
है तो हम सोचे
सीरियसली
कि अभी
मैम.
हम रैंडमली कुछ लोगों को पिक करेंगे लाइव वीडियो
Yes.
करके और थैंक यू
ओ रुवानी
और हम उनको
विश यू मैनी मैनी
और हम
हैप्पी
उनको
बर्थडे.
हमारी तरफ से थैंक यू कहेंगे.
विश यू
Thank
मैनी
you
मैनी
so
हैप्पी
much.
So
बर्थडे.
thank you
Giving
Sandeep,
so much
thank
love
you.
and support.
हम किसी और के साथ अब कनेक्ट करते हैं. Thank you so much Sandeep.
Okay.
Thank you.
ओके
Thank
ओके
you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू सो मच.
Bye bye.
बाय बाय.
Pick someone else.
Okay, let's pick somebody else. Okay.
Okay. I think we'll
Let's-
take. We should pick.
Oops, the line is
Put it down. Put it down. We should put. Okay. So we are waiting for
We're connecting with
Yashfeen.
Yashfeen.
Yashfeen Bilal. So we don't know where Yashfeen
Hi.
is and where she is from. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. We cannot
Hi,
see
Yashfeen.
you. Can we please see you?
I'm
Yes.
so shy.
You're shy. You don't have to be shy. It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I just don't know what to say, but I'm just so shy. I'm just your biggest fan.
Okay, it's absolutely fine, Yashveen. It's absolutely fine. Thank you for coming live and wishing
Yes.
you Hanika. Hi, Yashveen.
Oh, hello.
Where are you from, Yashveen?
I'm from Pakistan.
You're from Pakistan.
Oh,
Hello,
wow.
hello to everyone. Lovely.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Yes, that's really nice, Yashveen. Thank you for sending in your love and wishes for Rohanika.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
where are you
can't
from
believe-
Pakistan?
Where in Pakistan are you from, Yashveen?
I'm from actually this city that I'm living in right now is in Islamabad.
It's in
Islamabad.
Islamabad. Okay.
Oh,
So how's
wow.
everything there? It's all okay? Like the COVID
Yeah,
and all
I'm
of that?
just really nervous. I just don't have anything else to say in my mind. But I've actually never ever spoke to a young actress in my whole life. But thank you so much.
Rohanika is just another regular child.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a 13-year-old and she's
another
just
person.
another regular child, probably like you or somebody else. So yes, thank you, Yashveen.
And
We'll
have
take somebody
fun.
else on too. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
sure.
you,
Have
thank
fun.
you,
Take care
thank
of
you,
yourself.
thank you,
Thank you.
thank you.
Next, let's go.
Next. Okay, so we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. We're connecting with.
We're connecting with.
Who are we connecting with? Who are we connecting with?
We're still waiting.
We're still waiting, still connecting. Too many people saying hello.
Oh, I
We're
think
still
the network
connecting.
is
The
bad.
network is bad, so let's look for someone else. Cancel.
Okay, let's wait.
Okay, so let's connect with Margarita.
Oh, we're connecting with Margarita.
We're connecting with Margarita from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Thank you, Nimisha. Hello? I can't see anything.
No, we're trying to connect. I think there's a network issue here.
I think it's
or...
from our end because. Okay. Hello?
It's from our end.
It's
It's
from
from our end.
Yes, otherwise.
Hi, Margarita. We
Hi,
can't see
Margarita,
you
we
though.
cannot see you.
We can't
But-
see you. We can't see you. We can't see you. I think the network issue is from my end. Probably my
Yes,
end.
the
Yeah.
Wi-Fi has been active.
Yeah. It's been acting up. Yes. How are you, Margarita? No, we can't hear you. Let's look for.
Can others hear us?
Okay, let's go live with Tithi. So we're going live with
With
Tithi
Tithi,
Patel.
and
We're waiting for
her.
Tithi. We're waiting for Tithi. Tithi
Oh,
has
she
declined.
has declined.
So,
It's okay.
okay.
Let's wait.
Let's wait. Okay. Hmm. Okay. We're waiting for Ahirna.
We're waiting
Ahirna.
for Ahirna.
Ahirna. Ahirna. Connecting.
Hello. We can't see you.
I think it's the place. Okay.
Hi, Ahirna.
Ahirna's left. Ahirna's left. We have, let's see. Okay, let's.
We are
Harshita, we're
talking
waiting
to
for
Harshita.
Harshita. Let's see if we're able to connect with Harshita.
Hi, Harshita. We cannot see you.
So it's the network.
It's not the network, I guess.
Hi!
Hi.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Harshita.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you, Harshita, for your wishes. Harshita, where are you from?
I'm from Jaipur.
Oh, you're
Oh,
from Jaipur.
wow.
Wow. How is Jaipur? How's everything there?
How's the weather?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for joining us, Harshita, and thank you for
Please
your
one
wishes.
screenshot.
Okay, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Harshita.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
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 Okay, let's take in.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Shafali.
Thank you, Ms. Shifali. Let's try Margarita again. Let's try. Okay. Waiting for Margarita. Can we connect with her? Hi, Margarita.
Hello, I cannot see your face, guys.
Yeah, so finally we see you. How have you been? It's been so long.
Yes, how's Indonesia?
How's Indonesia? How is Jakarta? Apa kabar?
I'm fine.
You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. How's everything?
Happy
Margarita?
birthday for you.
Keeping well? Come here in the frame. I hope you're keeping well. Margarita, the connection is really bad. Thank
I
you
think
for
you're
your
frozen.
wishes. And you're frozen. The screen is frozen here
Yes.
actually. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. We'll connect
Thank
with you
We'll
soon.
connect with you soon.
Okay, so you want to pick someone else? Okay. Okay, yeah, okay.
We are connecting with Laiva.
With Laibu.
beautiful.
Laibu.
Laibu.
Laibu or Laiba, I don't know.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
but this is a fan page for Rohanikas. Let's see if we're able to connect with her. Okay. Connecting.
Connecting. Let's wait.
connecting.
I
It's
think it's
taking
the
time.
network issue from end.
Okay, this is taking too long, so we're gonna switch and try and connect with someone else. Once again.
Okay.
Okay, so we're connecting with Miss Kavya.
Yes.
Waiting for Miss Kavya. Waiting for Miss Kavya. She has declined.
So it's
So
okay.
let's go. Okay.
We are talking to Bhavya.
Bhavya Sharma. Okay. We're not talking yet. We're waiting for Bhavya. Bhavya is. Hi. How are you, Bhavya?
Fine.
How
Happy
old are you?
birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rohani, you should be
Welcome.
talking.
Yes.
Ask Bhavya
How
where
are
she
you?
is from.
Where are you from?
Himachal.
Wow.
Oh wow. The weather must be fabulous there.
Can I take one screenshot?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, done.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so
Okay.
we connect with. Okay.
I think we're connecting with
Rohanika
Lover. It's another
underscore
fan
lover.
page.
This is another fan page for. Okay.
I must give it to all of my fan pages.
Hi.
Hello.
Happy
birthday.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your wishes, edits, and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you.
so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
really sorry for being so inactive.
Ari, nahi, it's all right.
It's okay.
Yeah?
Where are you
It's
from?
absolutely fine.
Exams.
Where are you from?
Actually, exams.
I cannot.
Where are you from?
I'm from Patna, Bihar.
From Patna,
Oh.
Bihar. Lovely. How's everything
Yeah.
there in Patna? All okay?
Yeah, it's raining since 3 days.
Okay. So stay safe and stay indoors, and thank you very much once
Thank
again
you.
for connecting, and we shall
Happy
connect soon.
birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
We are connecting with another fan page.
Yeah. but-
Rohanika is my life.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
This is me.
How are you? Hello.
Hello. I think
We can't hear
it's
her.
the network again.
It's the network again. Okay. Okay. We're waiting for Nitesh. And Nitesh.
So let's wait.
Okay, let's wait. We're waiting for Nitesh to connect. Taking too long, so let's look for someone else. Or should we wait?
I think it's the network at our end.
Okay. Okay. Ah. So we're
Hi,
waiting
Keisha.
for- What is this live?
Hi, Keisha.
Where's Keisha? Hi, Keisha! What's up, Keisha?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hi. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Shweta.
much.
Hi, Shweta. Shweta, where are you from?
I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Oh wow,
Chhattisgarh.
we've been to
Okay.
Chhattisgarh
We've been
many
to
a time.
Yeah, we've
For
been.
many events.
Yeah, Raipur, right?
Yeah, I remember you
Rajpur,
came to
Chapa.
Chapa.
Chapa, that's
Junk.
correct. Yes.
Yes,
got it.
I'm from there only.
Oh, you're from Chapa.
Oh.
How nice. Yeah, it's a small
Yeah.
world. How are you? How's everything there?
All well.
All well. Very nice. And it's so
Yeah.
nice to connect with you. Thank you so much for your love and wishes. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Can I take a screenshot?
Yes,
Sure.
please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is
Bye-bye.
a great way of clicking pictures.
Take
with
care.
Yeah.
Fans.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, so
Okay.
now, okay, we go to
We are
Adya
adding
Singh.
Adya.
So we're waiting for Adya Singh. Connecting.
Wi-Fi.
Adya,
It's taking too
it's
long.
taking too long. We'll have to look for
Sorry.
someone else. Sorry. Let's go to Prachi.
Prachi.
Go live with Prachi. I'm waiting for Prachi. Waiting for Prachi. Till then, we have happy birthday from Indonesia. Let's talk. Love from Pakistan. Add me. Jagtab says add me. Okay. Taking too long. Sorry, Prachi. We tried. Okay.
Let's add.
Okay. Let's add Navya Nen. Let's see. Who is Navya? Navya Nen. Okay. We're waiting for Navya Nen.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi. आपका भी
Hi.
बर्थडे है?
Yes,
आपका
I
भी
see the
बर्थडे
balloons
है?
at the back.
नहीं, मेरे ब्रदर्स का बर्थडे था अभी.
अच्छा,
Oh.
कब था?
यस,
कब था उनका बर्थडे?
कल.
अच्छा, तो हम उन्हें विश कर दें?
यस यस.
हैप्पी
हाय.
बर्थडे! अब आप भी कह दो
Thank
हैप्पी
you.
बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रोहानिका. हैप्पी
Thank
बर्थडे.
you. Where are you guys from?
वी आर फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश.
ओह, वेरी नाइस. कहाँ? यूपी में कहाँ से?
बागपत साइड से.
अच्छा, वेरी नाइस. आप दोनों बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो पीछे.
थैंक यू.
You're welcome, बेटे.
May I take a screenshot?
Yes, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you, बेटे. Bye. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Once again. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's add.
I'm gonna sit down.
We're waiting for Disha Chawla. We're trying to connect. Okay, nahi ho raha hai. So I think the network is really acting up. We'll say thank you once again
Thank
and
you
say
once
bye-bye to
again
everyone.
for all of your wishes. It really means a lot, and I absolutely love all the edits. I know it takes a lot of time and efforts, and I really appreciate that.
Yeah, and we appreciate each one of you. Yeah, each
Yes.
one of you. We
It's
mean it.
impossible for us to reply to each one of you, but we
Yes.
try our best. We try to repost as much as we can
Yes.
and add it to our story. But
Yeah, if we missed out on
If we
somebody,
missed out
we're
on
extremely
somebody-
sorry. It was not by purpose.
Yes.
And it's just, we've missed out. Nothing else. So thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone.
much,
We
guys.
try to connect with a lot of people virtually, talk to them, just say thank you and a hi. But I'm sorry we're not able to connect with the most of you. Again, that is not possible. But we're trying from our end. So thank you.
Thank you
always
so
for
much.
being there for Rohanika and sending out so much of love and wishes for her. Thank you. As a parent,
Thank
it actually moves me, so thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye everyone. Thank you once again. Bye.